Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to receive ETH on Uniswap. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type Uniswap and you'll get a screen looking like this in front of you. Now you just need to go and connect your wallet, which you can do by clicking the top right corner of the screen. And in the left side of the screen, as you can see, we have the trade, explore, pool, search tokens, and here of course you can swap anytime, anywhere. So now let's see how you can actually go and receive ETH on Uniswap. So to receive ETH on Uniswap, you don't actually receive ETH directly through Uniswap itself. However, you can add ETH to your wallet and then interact the Uniswap for trading or providing liquidity. And here's how to get ETH into your wallet. First, make sure you have a compatible wallet like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Coinbase. I have MetaMask connected here on the Uniswap profile for me. Then open your wallet and copy your ETH wallet address. So click on here, find the ETH address, and here you'll have the copy button here, as you can see when you click on the address. Then you can receive ETH by transferring it from another wallet or purchasing it on an exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Use your copied wallet address to receive ETH. Once you have ETH in your wallet, you can use it on Uniswap to swap for other tokens or provide liquidity. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye, guys.